Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 16th March 2024. In this video, let us generate stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames, and we will also generate daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. And from today onwards, I will be generating stop buffers at the end of this video, and you can find stop buffers for all the indices and equity stocks listed in F&O segment. They are not F&O stocks listed in F&O segment. Even before the generation, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos I kept in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. So please make use of this opportunity and strengthen your skills. If you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please utilize this opportunity to strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. So let us generate stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames starting from yearly. Mostly you won't get stocks near demand and supply zones for yearly time frame. The reason is most of the I think all the stocks either they are in the demand zone or they are inside the supply zone. That could be one of the reasons you may not be finding, but we will verify. We don't know. Sometimes we may find sometimes. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. So no stocks are there. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks are identified. Now let us change the time frame to half yearly. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. Currently no stocks are available. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. No stocks. Now let us change the time frame to quarterly and let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So these two stocks are filtered which are near to the quarterly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. If you want to study any of these stocks in detail, please pause the video. You can study all these columns and parameters. Even you can draw these zones on the charts according to these values. And then you can proceed with the video. So let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So two stocks are near to the quarterly supply zone. Let's go back. Changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these four stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. So let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. Four stocks are filtered near to the monthly supply zone. Let me go back. Let me change the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered near to the weekly demand zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 7 stocks are filtered. Let me go back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So 9 stocks are filtered. We need to identify high liquidity zones from this list. We don't have any high liquidity demand zones from the daily time frame from this list. So let us go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. 9 stocks are filtered. Let us check high liquidity supply zones from this list. So we have AU Bank. I think we already discussed this stock in the previous report. And we have Idea is there. Idea also we discussed. We didn't accept the trade because 5-minute structures is not good. That is what we identified. Please correct me if I am wrong. That's it. We have only these two high liquidity supply zones from this list. Daily supply zones. So let's go back and changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So this is the filtered list. 16 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 125 minutes demand zone. So let's go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So total 18 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 125 minutes supply zone. So let's go back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 14 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 75 minutes demand zone. From this list, let us identify high liquidity 75 minutes demand zones. So we have Apollo Tyres already tested 5 times and 6 rejections from this zone. And the risk of the zone is only 0.96%. Reward is 6.84. Oh. Okay, anyway, let us look into this stock. But you need to look for a fresh, fine-tuned 5-minute zone. It is not a 5-minute zone. It is a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. You should understand the difference between what is a 5-minute zone and fine-tuned 5-minute zone. Always we take trade in the fresh 5 minutes fine-tuned zones inside this high liquidity zone. And also remember, if you want to take trade second time from the same zone, that should be a high liquidity zone. The 5-minute zone also should be a high liquidity zone. Then only we take second time or even third time. You have to remember these points. And finally, we found one more, Z Limited. So Z is also high liquidity zone, a fresh zone, but it is not really fresh. The reason is already having 3 rejections from this zone. Very interesting, 3 rejections. Maybe there could be a strong order flow. So look for where exactly the orders are picking up. If orders are picking up the same fine-tuned 5-minute zones, maybe we may consider that could be a high liquidity 5-minute zone. But check, do it, fine-tune the zone properly. Or otherwise you should identify a fresh 5-minute zone, I mean a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. So these are the high liquidity zones generated from 75 minutes time frame. Total 2 high liquidity zones we identified, right? This is the first one. And this is the second one, yeah. So now let's go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 11 stocks are filtered. We need to identify high liquidity supply zones from this list. Nifty oil and gas sector is a high liquidity supply zone, but it is an indices. Because we don't trade, we are living. But still, somebody can trade with the help of ETFs, exchange traded funds. But they are available only in cash segment only. Okay, Axis Bank is a high liquidity supply zone, 75-minute supply zone. It is a fresh zone. Because it is a fresh zone, you need to fine tune the zone properly. You need to check the quality of the zone. If the quality of the zone is not good, the zone will be violated. That is what will land. If the quality of the zone is good, you will identify fresh 5 minutes fine-tuned zones. There you can take a trade. And moreover, this is also having a high liquidity demand zone, already tested 3 times. You may look for opportunities either side in this particular stock. Okay. The next one is a Coforge. This is also having high liquidity zone, supply zone, a fresh zone, and you need to fine tune this zone and check the quality of the zones. You have one more IRCTC. This is also a fresh zone. So check the quality of this zone by fine tuning the zone. You have Kotak Bank. This is already tested 3 times and 4 rejections. So you need to look for a fine-tuned fresh 5-minute zone inside this, or a high liquidity 5-minute zone. So you have one more high liquidity zone, NMDC. This is also a fresh zone. Check the quality of this zone. If the quality is good, then only you have to plan the trade. You have one more stock, NTPC. This is also a high liquidity zone, a fresh zone. You need to check the quality of this zone by fine tuning the zone. And you have one more, Page Industries. This is also a high liquidity supply zone, 75-minute supply zone. And it is already having 1 rejections from this zone. So that means you need to identify a fresh fine-tuned 5-minute zone. So these are the different high liquidity supply zones you have identified from 75 minutes time frame. So let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 25 minutes and let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. Only these 6 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 9 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. Let me change the time frame to 15 minutes and let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered near to the 15 minutes demand zone. So let me go back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 5 minutes demand zone. Let's go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered. I will generate stop buffers. So this is the list, complete list. The first 17 in this list are indices. Remaining all are the equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I will be keep on scrolling this list down. In between, I will be giving you only few seconds time. If you are having any stock, if you want to study any stock, please pause the video. You can study all the parameters. After that, you can proceed further. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the complete list having calculated stop buffer values for each stock. Hope this information is useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.